Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is a update for Google Chrome. A couple of you guys told me, hey, there's an update, you know what's in there? Well, the blog post just says that there's an update for the stable channel and doesn't state really nothing else. So I suspect that this has to do mostly with probably some bug fixes that have been applied to the latest update for this Chrome version, as we did have a new version on with security updates on Patch Tuesday, the same date as Patch Tuesday this week, which is May 10th. So if you go to the upper right corner, three dots, and you go down to Help and About Chrome, you'll see that you'll update to version 101.0.4951.67, which is now the ending. Like I said, it doesn't state anything important in security. It really just says, oh, well, we released, an update today. And it's a small increment, so possibly some small updates for some bug fixes or problems that they might have seen after the release of Chrome this week. If there's anything else, of course, I'll be closely monitoring the blogs of the Chromium group and of Google Chrome, of course. If anything else, I'll make another video, but it does seem like mostly bug fixes, so it's not something that seems to be, you have to install it right now. So don't worry about it. And of course, if you haven't already installed the update for the bug fixes this week for security, extremely important to do so. And this is valid for both Linux, for Mac, and for Windows. And don't forget, any other Chromium-based browser will also receive updates in the coming hours or days if it's not already done. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.